I bring you the aircraft that are the easiest and most affordable to build, but also the best ones to convert to electric and fly daily for less than $1 per flight hour. This plane is one of the best, if not the best aircraft to convert to electric, but above all for real-world use. That plane is the Electrafly C, a Moni motor glider modified to be electric. The Moni motor glider was already a plane that required very little HP to go quite fast, but essentially to achieve good endurance while needing just 30 HP. The electric version uses barely 18 HP, taking advantage of the good aerodynamics of this aircraft, which is truly a motor glider. The fact that it is a motor glider is also a plus. This is because it can glide, becoming even more efficient, and allows for the use of the propellers to generate extra energy when used as a glider. It weighed just 172 kilograms empty and 283 kilograms loaded, carrying prehistoric 5.6 kilowatt-hour batteries for a useful endurance of 1.5 to 2 hours. It achieves a range of 160 to 200 kilometers. But the most important thing is that its operating costs would be extremely low. Those flight hours will cost mere pennies. That is a total game changer. Not to mention, this plane is extremely affordable and easy to build. Even its ribs are made of cheap foam covered in aluminum. Its design features simple, straight lines. It's basically cut and glue. The motor is quite affordable if you choose a modern one from a rickshaw or even an electric motorcycle with a reduction gear. The project could potentially be done for less than $2,000, but those calculations are up to the builder. Alternatively, you can outright buy one of these economical planes for less than $5,000, then convert it to electric. Anyway, the complete blueprints to build it are in the description. This plane is one of the cheapest aircraft you can build, or arguably the most affordable STOL plane out there. It's the Wood Sky Pup, but if you convert it to electric, it becomes drastically more economical. This plane is made using cheap blue foam from the hardware store and touches of non-aviation wood, just well-selected lumber. By my napkin math, buying the necessary foam for the plane would cost approximately $300, and the wood, if you find a good deal, may be between $300 and $600. This is because very little is used. It serves only to slightly reinforce the foam, which is the primary material. Plus, since its ribs and almost the entire plane feature very straight lines, everything could easily be cut on a CNC machine. This makes it very fast to build, but above all, affordable. I'm confident that the airframe minus the motor and control system could easily cost less than $1,000. You can buy the plans at plansforflying.com, but the important part here is its electric version. In its electric version, this plane only requires between 6.7 and 9.4 HP to fly and take off with ease. Let's say it needs a 10 HP electric motor to fly, and more importantly, to take off, though a 6.7 HP one would work perfectly fine. Although calculations show the Sky Pup only needs 3.15 HP to maintain level flight, the standard gas version uses between 22 and 30 HP. The thing is, this plane has a 12:1 glide ratio, making it very aerodynamic and safe in the event of an engine failure. The Sky Pup could fly with a 10 HP gas engine, preferably a two-stroke, so converting it to electric, which is much lighter, is a great option. Endurance with 2.5 to 3.5 kilowatt-hour batteries from 2015 is about 1 hour. By installing modern, lighter recycled batteries, and especially by adding more batteries to extend the endurance, this would be a relatively useful and, above all, economical aircraft. An electric motor with this HP is relatively common and affordable to find. The batteries are cheap if recycled from an electric car, and the plane is made of cheap foam and wood. This aircraft is a total bargain. If you're interested in building it, I have the blueprints and construction manuals in the link in the description or in the pinned comment. This plane, called the Electrafly E Crystalline, is a beast. It was based on one of the smallest and cheapest planes in the world, the Colombian MC-15, also known as the Cree. This is a huge plus because the Cree is super easy to build and, above all, economical, being an all-aluminum aircraft. The Electrafly E Crystalline was fitted with two 35 HP electric motors, and that was back in 2011. Today, you could install something much better, keeping that 70 HP total output. It used just 3 kilowatt-hours of 2011-era batteries. Right now, using battery modules from a Tesla or a Chinese EV, it would be much more efficient and, most importantly, lighter. All of this gave it a record-breaking speed for its category. 283 kilometers per hour. Its normal top speed was 220 kilometers per hour, with an endurance of 30 minutes, which was actually quite good considering the small battery capacity. This leads us to the conclusion that the Cree, due to its low cost, small size, and ease of construction, is one of the best planes to convert to electric. There are even versions that run on much smaller motors, barely 5 HP, and achieve much greater range. This specific version was built for speed. I'll leave the blueprints in the description, but if you message me privately with your purchase, I'll also give you an exact 3D model so you can easily build it using CNC cutting.